ever there is one driver which can propel our country to full-scale developed status, then it is through quality skills training. On that front, the Council for Technical and Vocational Education and Training, QuadVet, through a Skills Development Fund, is spearheading that agenda in Ghana.
Who is going to provide the service?
And our main focus has been on mass production of garments.
There was a lot of talk about Sakawa. Are you able to use these same processes to also apprehend people? That is correct.
Our research showed that Ghana was at number 8 in the world when it comes to cybercrime.
On this program, we shall open up the SDF to you.
So SDF is here to support businesses to train their staff to be very productive.
All that we're trying to do is to build a very solid human capital base.
We shall profile beneficiaries of SDF.
We are now even positioned to train about 400 workers.
We gave them $276,000 US. There is a fund from which we are giving grants to businesses to address these challenges.
You develop these moringa plants into products like soap, creams. Okay.
Watch SDF Diaries on the Joy News channel on Multi TV every Saturday, 8:30 a.m. to 9 a.m. SDF, managed by QuadVet, is an initiative of the government of Ghana with support from the World Bank and Danida.
The from Dina Martin, me ya impreku. Edu baby a mo ani nyinimu ene yare nkitinkiti bia ha nketwa no emwa ma emwa no enkoso. Yanumu ana adwusu dwaben Pig Farmers and Processors Association ye tie dra ye frɛ no RE3 enka. Nanso ni hu nimdie bia. Enti yekosu kyerɛ SDF fo no ana omokɔpɛ sika brɛ yen as a grant ana yekɔ hu tech fo no na omoba ma yen tete emre dodo ananka mo ani di ansa na wo manyini no eso teye busumi nsia na wanyini na wo ton ade usika.
The Skills Development Fund SDF is an initiative of the government of Ghana with funding from the World Bank and Danida to help Ghanaian firms become competitive. From now till 20th June 2014, SDF is requesting informal sector trade associations and farmer-based groups that require innovative skills and technology to submit their proposals for assistance. Visit sdfghana.org to apply.
The wood sector in Ghana offers a large contribution of foreign exchange earnings to the Ghanaian economy. The sector comprises tens of thousands of practitioners from the lumbering subsector to the wood processing subsector. Among the key products of the sector are office and home furniture, moldings, doors, TNG, kitchen cabinets, artifacts, handicrafts, and builders' woodwork. It is estimated that a better organized sector will improve exports for the country, with employment increasing yearly and supporting the livelihoods of over 3 million people. The wood product sector is estimated to be directly employing around 100,000 and providing livelihood to some 2 million people. These people are engaged in the manufacture of processed wood products such as furniture, doors, moldings, TNG, flooring and handicrafts, and builders' woodwork. Currently, the contribution of the wood processing sector to the overall timber export earning is between 10% and 15% per annum, with businesses dominated by the informal sector, which comprises carpenters. Kumasi is traditionally an important center of wood products in Ghana. Many wood industry businesses throughout the wood sector value chain are present in the municipality. They range from lumbering firms, secondary and primary wood processors, mainly involved in the construction of domestic furniture.
Generally, Kumasi is supposed to be the hub of furniture manufacturing in Ghana. And we've got different industries within that. There are people who go into furniture. There are people who go into furnishing rooms. There are people who go into production of builders' materials. There are other people who go into building school furniture and there are others who go into furnishing, what we call the hotels. So these are the various industries within the wood industry in Kumasi.
Among the key strategies to provide technical support to the sector is the Wood Cluster Initiative, WCI, a collaborative move by the Furniture and Wood Products Association of Ghana, Woodworkers Association of Ghana, and the Kumasi Wood Estates. It currently has a membership of 40, with their members representing a chunk of the wood sector in Kumasi. Its main objectives include to increase the competitiveness of cluster members through innovative and product developments, to upgrade the skills of furniture producing companies through training and increased application of knowledge and new technology, to facilitate the creation of a supportive business environment through enhanced market access and the adoption of quality standards, to promote the large-scale exports of made-in-Ghana furniture and allied wood products.
The Wood Cluster Initiative is an umbrella organization for the small and medium-scale woodworkers within the Kumasi metropolis. We bring them together and try to build their capacities so that they will be competitive on the market.
The members of the Wood Cluster Initiative have made tremendous impact in the sector. Among others, they produce and supply furniture to key government agencies and corporate entities in the municipality and within the ECOWAS sub-region.
We try to build their capacities through training and innovation, which we actually get from other stakeholders like FOREC, which is CSIR, then WITC, so that they will be able to build their capacities. Then we also try to help them source business on a large scale so that they will be able to network and be able to produce to meet timelines. And we try to do these things so that the companies will be able to develop technically, economically, and what we call financially.
This notwithstanding, the organization has been saddled with challenges ranging from the poor dissemination of technical and market-related information from the cluster secretariats to members, absence of an enterprise information system for accessing industry information on markets, quality and standards, and the lack of innovation in design. These challenges had in the recent past resulted in low efficiency, high waste, low income, and poor quality of products.
The major problem that was facing the cluster before we took the SDF grant was basically one of information dissemination and also the ability to get information on the current information on the market and to be able to move abreast with what is happening in the external market or the world at large. Because members were limited because of ICT training, and members were also limited in the sense that they did not have the technical know-how to be able to produce to meet standards in the world market and also be able to be competitive as we desired.
The Skills Development Fund, SDF, supports training institutions to develop innovative training content to meet key skills challenges of industry. Starting this April, watch SDF Diaries on the Joy News channel on Multi TV every Saturday, 8:30 a.m. to 9 a.m. SDF, managed by Cuthbert, is an initiative of the Government of Ghana with support from the World Bank and Danida.
My name is Jacob Enu Ansa, and I own Enu Ansa Farms. What we are into is tilapia hatchery fishing. We are concerned about increasing our production. Our biggest resource is water. Our riverbed where we source our water is drying up and we needed to recirculate the little that we get. So we heard about SDF. We applied, they approved our application, got the funding that we needed to help us install the recirculation aquaculture systems, and also supported us bringing an expert to train us and install the systems. Since then, we've been producing 600,000 from the previous 200,000 monthly. Indeed, we have capacity to do up to 1 million fingerlings.
The Skills Development Fund, SDF, is an initiative of the Government of Ghana with funding from the World Bank and Danida to help Ghanaian firms become competitive. From now till 20th of July 2014, SDF is requesting firms that require innovative technology to submit their proposals for assistance. Visit sdfghana.org to apply.
In 2012, Wood Cluster Initiative received SDF funding of 119,466 Ghana cedis to equip its members with the skills and tools to enable them create high-quality competitive products and to greatly enhance their visibility in the marketplace and thus increase incomes. This will be achieved through the design, development and launching of a comprehensive web-driven trade information system designed as one-stop resource center providing for product gallery, information on market trends, trade, investment, promotion or opportunities, quality and standards or commercial interaction, personalized email, etc. The funding was also used for a 6-week training program to equip members with IT skills for product design and effective business management, MS Office Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Internet and email applications, as well as AutoCAD or computer-aided design.
SDF support went to Wood Cluster Initiative, a collective that is based in the Kumasi in Ashanti region. Of course, the Kumasi and the Ashanti region is the heartland of the wood industry. The group manufactures furniture and other wood products, and the enterprises that are involved, the staff needed to upgrade their skills to be able to improve on the quality of the furniture and other products that they manufacture. In this specific case, they were offered training to be able to use the computer-aided design CAD program to render furniture designs. Of course, they are in competition with furniture that is coming from all over the world, and they needed to upscale this. This training offered them that opportunity to bring themselves up to speed with the use of computer-aided design. Additionally, they were offered the opportunity to improve their computer usage skill in the area of Microsoft Office, the Excel, the Word, and so on. And then a portal was developed for the group so they can interact and communicate amongst themselves. All in all, this has gone to offer them immense opportunity. Now they can do designs that some time ago took them a long time to do, and instead of just copying from brochures and other magazines, which was what they were doing, now they can, of their own, come up with designs that are unique and meet the tastes of their clientele. So we believe that with this support, this group can sustain their business, and of course Ghana will be the better for it.
Takoradi Polytechnic is renowned for its expertise in furniture design and production. The Department of Furniture Design and Production provided training for 40 members of Wood Cluster Initiative in design, AutoCAD, workshop practice, etc. This was followed with the development of a web portal to facilitate information dissemination amongst members of the Wood Cluster Initiative. The portal contains information relating to new and emerging trends in the industry, as well as marketing and trade information. Members of Wood Cluster Initiative have since taken advantage of the web portal to acquire information and update themselves with new designs and vital market information. This, coupled with the skills acquired in AutoCAD designing, has tremendously impacted on the capacity of members and their businesses' growth potentials.
Before I went, there were so many things we were doing on conjectures. But over there, we went through some subjects like AutoCAD. We did some MS Word. We were taught how to apply the portal, this thing. And then again, we did some Outlook and PowerPoint. But we came out with that confidence that this time we were able to challenge ourselves to bring innovations into our businesses. Taking, for instance, when we were made to go through the AutoCAD tutorials. Now, you see, it's not a matter of always following whoever or any design which is already in existence. With the AutoCAD, we are always challenged to innovate and sometimes design our own doors or bring in new designs which is going to attract the outside market. Again, with the AutoCAD, we were made to feel like it's not a matter of just cutting wood anyhow, but at least we could work with precision and with much less waste, because at least we knew exactly what we were cutting before we cut. And again, when it comes to mass production with the AutoCAD, one were those days that we were only doing everything on our own. But in this case, immediately we finished with the course, this is helping us enough to at least share component parts with various companies. So if, assuming you are having a job which is too much for you, you are able to give some component parts for somebody to manufacture for you as you do the other parts. So when it comes to assembling, you have specific and precise cut materials which you can easily assemble to make a product.
Training no emwa anase mfaso a yenye free mono ansana ye be hyase no ye de to say wie no ho no a ifi say enche bibre pokura na mehu say mehu ewo madwam ha no say enisisaye bibre eba de edi kan ewo AutoCAD a de eye manufacturing no eboa manufacturing